Imagine making thousands of dollars each month with an influencer who doesn't even exist. AI influencers have become a game changer in social media, creating huge opportunities for income with minimal overhead. These digital personalities, built entirely with AI, are now partnering with major brands and building huge followings. Take, for instance, a virtual fitness model who's raking in over $10,000 monthly just from Instagram. What's even more impressive? She was made entirely using free AI tools, no photo shoots, no real identity. In today's video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step guide to creating your own AI influencer and transforming it into a revenue-generating machine. From setting up the look and personality to building an audience and earning money. We'll cover it all. Let's dive in. 2. Why AI influencers are profitable. AI influencers aren't just a trend, they're a new business model. Unlike traditional influencers, they're fully customizable, available 24/7, and offer unlimited flexibility in appearance, personality, and style. These virtual influencers can create content consistently without the limitations of time, location, or personal branding struggles. So, why are they profitable? For one, they're cost-effective. No travel expenses, no professional photo shoots, and no need for a social media manager. AI influencers can post regularly, engage with audiences, and promote products in any niche, all while keeping expenses low. Some brands are even willing to pay these virtual personalities for product placements, sponsorships, and affiliate promotions, just like they would a human influencer. And since AI influencers are free from human constraints, they can be optimized to appeal to specific audiences, enhancing engagement and reach. In short, AI influencers are a scalable, affordable way to enter the influencer economy, and today I'll show you exactly how to build one from scratch. 3. Creating the AI influencer from scratch. Step 1. Choosing the right AI tool. To get started, you'll need a reliable AI tool for creating realistic, high-quality images. Right now, one of the best options is a platform called Appiab, which specializes in generating consistently high-quality images and videos. It's perfect for building an influencer who can look authentic and stay visually consistent across various types of content. Step 2. Customizing the influencer's appearance. Once you're set up in the tool, it's time to design the look of your AI influencer. Start by choosing basic attributes like gender, age, and nationality. For example, you might select a young woman from France, which could resonate well with audiences interested in fashion or lifestyle. Now, it's all about the details. Customize features like eye color, hairstyle, and skin tone to make your influencer unique and visually appealing. The goal here is to create an image that feels both authentic and memorable. Play around with different combinations to see what stands out. Step 3. Generating the final look. Once your influencer's attributes are set, click Generate to create the first image. You'll now have a base look for your influencer that you can build on. If you want to adjust the character or try a different combination, you can easily go back and refine. With just these few steps, you've now created a digital personality who's ready to step into the spotlight. Up next, we'll focus on making sure this AI influencer has a consistent look across different settings, ensuring they feel real and trustworthy to potential followers. 4. Consistency in image and content creation. Now that you've created your AI influencer, the next step is ensuring they maintain a cohesive look across all content. Consistency is key to building a recognizable brand, so it's crucial that your AI influencer appears the same in each image, video, or scenario. This is where Appiab's Build Your Own feature really shines. It allows you to modify specific aspects, like clothing, background, and style, while keeping the core look consistent. Experimenting with styles and settings. With the customization options, you can place your AI influencer in a variety of scenarios to match the type of content you're aiming for. For example, you can create photos of them traveling to popular destinations, attending events, or even in everyday situations, like working out or enjoying a coffee. Each of these styles helps make the influencer feel relatable and versatile. Creating content for all seasons. Consider using seasonal or event-based settings to keep your AI influencer relevant year-round. You could create holiday-themed images, sports activities, or even event-based content like music festivals. The goal is to craft a variety of visuals that match the seasons, trends, or cultural moments, making the influencer appear active and in touch with the latest happenings. With consistent visuals and various relatable settings, you're now ready to start capturing audience attention and building a loyal following. 5. Monetizing the AI influencer platform setup. With your AI influencer ready and consistent, it's time to start making money. A great platform to start monetizing is Defons, which enables creators to earn through exclusive content and subscription tiers. Begin by signing up on Defons, and you'll get access to tools for sharing premium content that followers pay to unlock. Creating subscriber tiers. To keep revenue steady, create subscriber tiers that offer exclusive content at different price points. For example, a $5/month tier could give access to behind-the-scenes images, while a $20/month tier could offer personalized messages or special theme content. These tiers let followers feel connected to your influencer, making them more willing to invest. Additional revenue channels. Beyond subscriptions, AI influencers can generate income through other channels like affiliate marketing and brand partnerships. Just like human influencers, AI personalities can promote products, services, or affiliate links, with brands often willing to pay for exposure. For example, if your AI influencer has a fitness persona, they could promote athletic wear or supplements, bringing in additional revenue. With these monetization strategies, your AI influencer is no longer just a digital creation, but a genuine income stream. 6. Social media setup and optimization. Setting up profiles on Instagram and TikTok. To reach a larger audience, start by setting up social media profiles for your AI influencer on platforms like Instagram and TikTok. These are ideal for visual content and are popular with audiences who engage with influencer-style posts. Use a consistent username across platforms, ideally one that reflects your influencer's persona. Creating a simple landing page with Linktree. Since social media profiles typically allow only one link in the bio, use a tool like Linktree to create a single landing page with multiple links. This can include links to the Defons subscription page, affiliate products, or any other platforms where your AI influencer is active. Register a free account, customize the Linktree with relevant links, and add it to your profiles. This helps centralize all your revenue channels in one convenient place for followers. Profile optimization tips. For profile images, head back to APOB to create visually striking images that fit each platform's requirements. A high-quality profile picture and a captivating cover image can make a strong first impression. Also, keep the bio short but impactful. Mention key interests, maybe a catchy line about your AI influencer's personality, and add the Linktree link for easy access to all their content. With optimized social media profiles and a streamlined landing page, your AI influencer is now set to start attracting followers and directing them toward monetized content. Up next, let's talk about strategies to turn those followers into loyal, paying subscribers. Congratulations! By now, you've set up your AI influencer, built a consistent and attractive brand, and created multiple monetization channels. You've learned how to leverage tools like APOB for creating engaging visuals. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and leave a comment.